With the exception of apartment complexes that have communal laundry rooms, it is the tenant's responsibility to provide their own washer and dryer. I find about 50% of the time people have their own. That being the case, if you provide a washer and dryer, it will inevitably end up being in their way, and you will have the hassle of having to remove it. For the 50% that don't have a washer and dryer, it doesn't typically make or break the deal when it is not provided. If there is already a washer and dryer in the home that you want to leave for tenants to use, have a plan to have them quickly removed if needed. At Kasteel Property Management, we specify in our lease agreement that if there is a washer and dryer already in the home, we will not be fixing or replacing them should they no longer work. If there is not a washer and dryer in the home, it's best to keep it that way and let the tenants provide their own.